What's up, guys? We are down here in Pigeon Forge. Time to get something to eat, so we figured we would come down to Cookout. And this one is a little bit different. Most of the restaurants do not have a dining room. You basically just get your food to go, but this one does. This is in the old KFC, but right now we're just going to go in and check it out.
Two sides or double up. Cookout tray, choose one. Choose two sides.
Here it is, guys. You can see the lower section down there, and of course the upper section up there, which is where we're going to sit. But right now, just waiting on our food, and not bad price for what all we got. So I'll show you here in just a bit. Okay, here we go, guys. Got the spicy chicken, and got the tray. Comes with one of these wraps as well some onion rings. If you like Cookout Burger, this is definitely the place. Of course, you got to come down and try their milkshakes. This one is a peanut butter cup milkshake of Reese's. And then my wife got the watermelon. And I'd say it tastes just like watermelon. Okay, guys, that was the Cookout down here in Pigeon Forge. I'm stuffed. I don't know about y'all. But now we're going to go on to the next spot. So stick with us. Be sure to check out all the videos in this series. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Let me hear from you. If you ever ate down here, great food, great place. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Check out all the links down in the description, and we'll see you next time.